Goodness gracious me. That's me.
Was that you?
That's me in my first communion.
Oh, brilliant.
Or whatever. Oh my God.
You see the one you've got there in your left hand's got wee writing on the back of it and all as well.
This one?
Our
wee team's a great wee team, all in a row. Up comes Harry Buckle with the ball on his toe. He passes it to Hamill, and Hamill puts it through. And that's a goal for Celtic, and then the whistle blew.
That's brilliant.
There's my 11th birthday party. God. Had all the girls in my house. And Ford had opened a big factory in Cork.
Yeah.
As had Dunlop.
Yes.
There was 2 big factories open.
Yeah.
So they decided to go south.
Yeah.
And the reason we were left behind as the Buckle connection in Belfast was my dad was 18 and had just met my mum.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah.
So he didn't want to go to Cork.
Yeah.
Needless to say. And they got married.
Yeah.
At 18. Everything went when 1969.
Yeah.